How to boosting self-confidence. Self-confidence is the quiet inner belief that you are capable, valuable, and deserving of happiness and success. It's not about arrogance or perfection, it's about trusting yourself and your abilities. Whether you're aiming for personal growth, career advancement, or healthier relationships, building self-confidence is a key foundation. Here's how you can start boosting yours. 1. Recognize your strengths. Take inventory of what you're good at. These don't have to be grand talents. Maybe you're a great listener, a creative thinker, or someone who stays calm under pressure. Writing down your strengths can remind you of your unique value and reinforce a positive self-image. Point 2. Set small, achievable goals. Confidence grows with progress. Set short-term goals that push you just outside your comfort zone. Whether it's speaking up in a meeting or trying a new hobby, accomplishing these builds momentum and self-trust. Point 3. Silence the inner critic. Everyone has that inner voice that can sometimes be too harsh. Practice replacing negative self-talk with constructive thoughts. Instead of saying, "I'm not good enough," try, "I'm learning and I'll get better with time." 4. Practice self-care. When you take care of your body and mind, you send yourself the message that you matter. Eat well, get enough rest, exercise, and engage in activities that bring you joy. Confidence thrives when you feel physically and emotionally balanced. Point 5. Celebrate your wins, and no matter how small, acknowledge your achievements. Keep a confidence journal where you write down successes, compliments received, or moments you felt proud. Over time, you'll build a library of reasons to believe in yourself. Point 6. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who uplift and support you. Negative environments can drain confidence, while supportive ones help you grow and thrive. Choose company that believes in you even when you doubt yourself. Point 7. Keep learning. Knowledge and skill building are powerful confidence boosters. Take courses, read books, or try new experiences. The more you grow, the more competent and assured you'll feel. Point 8. Accept imperfection. Confidence doesn't mean being flawless, it means being okay with your imperfections. Mistakes are part of growth. Learn from them, laugh at them, but don't let them define your worth. Final thought: self-confidence isn't built overnight, it's a lifelong journey of learning to be kinder to yourself, taking risks, and embracing growth. Believe in your potential, even when it feels uncomfortable. You are capable of more than you know, and the world needs what only you can bring.